How to redeem gift cards for cash. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you do not want to redeem your gift card and want the cash value instead, then in this video I will guide you how you can get that. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and then search for gift card selling websites. Here on the search results, you have different websites. Click on any one of them. I'm going to open this one that says cancel. Now, on this website, you have buy gift card and sell gift cards option. Click on the option of sell gift cards. Now, you want to select the brand of the gift card. Go ahead and enter your brand. Once you have entered it, click on the continue option. Now you will have to log into your account. Go ahead and enter your mobile number and password and click on the sign in option. If you do not have an account, you can simply sign up and create one. Then you want to enter the on-screen prompts and enter all the necessary details to sell your gift card. You can also choose any other website to sell your gift card. I'm going to select this one called cardcash.com. Once you're here, click on the sell gift card option. From here, you can sell your unwanted gift card. You can simply submit your cards and then get paid in cash. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.